Keyboard replacement on Asus X453 laptop. Thank you to Sir Henry for trusting PTTIT Solutions. Unscrewing everything at the back, removing the palm rest and keyboard, pulling out the new keyboard and comparing the flex connector, removing this plastic protection, removing the plastic locks carefully. Experiencing a keyboard that presses keys on its own can be incredibly annoying and disruptive to tasks or activities. This issue, often known as ghost typing or phantom key presses, can lead to data entry errors, accidental commands, or system instability requiring prompt resolution. To restore normal keyboard functionality and maintain a smooth user experience. Putting the new keyboard symptoms of a defective keyboard that may indicate the need for replacement include unresponsive keys, sticking or jamming keys, physical damage, intermittent key presses, and software. Troubleshooting failures. Resoldering the plastic locks. Our keyboard replacement service offers a practical solution to get your typing back on track. Say goodbye to frustration and hello to smooth, uninterrupted typing. Avail our keyboard replacement today and experience the difference firsthand, putting back the metal protection and soldering it. Putting the plastic protection. Testing the keyboard for functionalities. We finally put it back, carefully locking it in. Keyboard replacement is done. Visit our shop to avail our service. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.